This is the overhood hall at the Hood House, UNH campus in Durham. Look at that call button. And yes, that chime's gonna keep ringing. We're gonna go to 2. Look at this. This was a Stanley and his traction was. We're going on another ride. 1967, 125 feet a minute. Alright, get listen again. Well, also, there's the 88 phone. This thing is incredible. So we can listen to it. It goes, listen to this. And it's stopping at 1. Anyways, here it goes.